Dear friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I will do it forever. Like and share my video and subscribe to my channel.
Today is 1st August and I did intraday uh, in Manappuram. So let me show you few information from Zero the Guide. So this is my position. I made a 500 profit and let me show you some other information. This is the buying price and selling price. I bought it at 113.33 and sold it at 113.58. You might be wondering why this 0.33, how I bought at this decimal price. I'll tell you how it was happened. So if you see my trades, no executed orders. So here also you can see 113.33. So morning at around 9:44 I had kept this order of 2000 quantity, and what happened, so there were multiple buying happened. Okay, see, 1000 quantity were executed at 113.3, and I was changing the price at the same point at the same time. So I made it 11.3 to 35, and suddenly all the remaining 1000 quantity got executed at 35 paise. So the average of these two became 113.33. So as per this, the target 25 paise target is also set at 55 and 60. So yeah, this is all about my the trading the information from Zero the Guide. So let me show you the information from the chart. Okay, why I took this trade and what was my observation. So let's go to chart. So I'm using the Kite Zerodha for trading, and yeah, this is my observation. So yeah, this from this, right? So it's August 1st, yeah, from here. So let's see a few things. These two, right, green and red, indicates this is the buying at 113.3, and this is selling. I had kept a very small target just to come out of the market very quickly, so I don't want to stay for long in the market when this share is trading in a zigzag manner. So what were my observations where is, if you see, there were a bullish and small correction, and again bullish and small correction, and again bullish. This was the pattern yesterday, and I observed this resistance, at around 112.8. So here and again here. So, and when I opened today, August 1st, so the same point came, and somehow I took trade at the 113.3. I bought it. Oh, initially it was in the negative. It came, touched here, and it came up and it hit my target. So, and I came out with a, no, with a just 500 rupees profit, because the quantities were around 200 and 2000, and the target was just 25 paise. So even with this, RSI was also helping me. Can you see this? This, at this RSI was also going up. So here, and even the MACD was also, like, was picking up. So if you don't know about RSI and MACD, just you can just Google it, or you can YouTube, and I will also try to make the separate videos for RSI and MACD in future. So this was my overall the plan.
Please follow me on Twitter, Facebook page, LinkedIn page, Telegram channel and WhatsApp number. All the links are given in the below video description. Thank you for watching. I will come up with new video soon.